Hi, if you're already using RetellAI or if you plan to use RetellAI, then this video will show you how VoiceAIWrapper connects with RetellAI to allow agencies to white label RetellAI under their own brand, automate their client onboarding process, and also allow agencies to control what kind of billing they want to offer to their clients. Right? Before we move ahead, I'm assuming you would fall into either of these three categories. The first category would be that you have already white label retail AI and you're using some competitor product. So we have done detailed market analysis, and all we say is just compare. There's a comparison link at the footer of our website, which compares VoiceAIWrapper with most other market providers out there. We offer a free trial. There's ample support. We are currently the most cost-effective and comprehensive platform out there. So feel free to give it a shot, and you will easily find out for yourself. The second category is you haven't white labeled yet. And again, the advantage that we offer for these users is we offer a free trial plus a lot of support. There's support on chat, there's support on Slack, there are free web onboarding calls available. So feel free to use that. And then the third category would be businesses or solopreneurs who are just getting started. Again, the advantage that we bring for them is the free trial. You can start with a very low cost of investment, which starts at just $29 per month, and you can scale up till you onboard unlimited clients. So if you've heard this so far and you want to watch further, this is what we're going to cover. We will show you how to add your retail account with VoiceAIWrapper. We'll show you how to set up your white label. We'll then show you how to create agency plans, which you can then resell to your clients. We will of course show you how to onboard clients and also a smarter, more efficient way to automate your client onboarding process. And then lastly, we'll wrap up with the kind of support options that we offer. So let's get started. Okay, step one, which is connecting your RetellAI account with your VoiceAIWrapper account. So I am currently logged into my VoiceAIWrapper account right now. And all you need to do is go in and click on Ads Provider, select Retail, add your Retail org name and your Retail API key. That's it. As soon as you do that, then you will see a card like this. You can always go back and edit your keys, or you can head into your retail dashboard. And once you've connected your Retail API key, you'll see all your retail agents, your phone numbers, knowledge base synced with your VoiceAIWrapper account. To use your retail agents inside our campaign feature, you would need to apply our webhook. So you'll see a small notification like this. As soon as you hit apply, your agents, your phone numbers will sync with the VoiceAIWrapper account, and you'll be able to add it to inbound and outbound campaign workflows that I'll talk about soon. Next up is adding your agency domain and your brand assets. So on the left hand side of your account navigation menu, you'll see an option to white label. Click to this, and then you can add a subdomain here. As soon as you add the subdomain, you will see some DNS entries populate here. Take these DNS entries, add it to your DNS provider, and then give it a few minutes. Usually it takes like 5 to 7 minutes, depending on your DNS provider. It might take slightly longer to propagate. You'll see an option to click on validate, and when you hit validate, it will give you a success message, which indicates that your subdomain has been set up, right? Then you can move over to branding. You can add your brand logo, your brand name, your brand meta title and description, and your subdomain is now connected, which means this entire app will now work on your brand's domain. Right, now we'll cover how to connect your Stripe account to automate the billing process, and how to create pricing plans to resell to your clients. So first step is to connect your Stripe account. There's an option to integrate your Stripe key. And once you've connected your Stripe account, you can then add multiple product types. There are multiple billing models that you can choose from. You can also decide the billing frequency, and then you can also mark up the cost based on how you want to build those clients. Once you have created your products, it'll all show up in your product catalog, and then once you create client orgs, you can then assign specific products to specific clients. Next up is setting up client orgs. All right, now we're going to talk about adding clients. There are two ways to add clients. One, a manual process. The other process is fully automated. We're going to cover both. So for the manual onboarding process, you can add your clients and it automatically creates a client account in your Stripe account if your Stripe key is connected. Inside your client account, you can add users. You can decide which campaign agent or assets you want to allocate to the account. You can also decide what kind of access or visibility your client has to these assets. And then under the billing section, you can go ahead and assign a specific plan to the client. So depending on the plan that you assign, that client will be billed directly to your Stripe account. So we're going to cover the automated onboarding process next, right? So this is great in case you want to just create a set of pricing plans and embed it on your site, and you want people to come in, sign up, and automatically get onboarded, and your payment also starts flowing in automatically because your Stripe is connected. You have complete control over what kind of billing frequency and how you want to configure your table, including the messaging that you use on the table. You can either take this as an embed code and embed it in your site, or you can pick up the link behind the CTA that you have created and add it to your site. So this automates the entire billing process, client onboarding process, and you can also set up automatic alerts on Slack or any other product of your choice. Okay, additional features. So apart from what I just showed you, we also have built-in automations. So for instance, we give you the ability to create inbound and outbound campaigns. And these, some of the USPs are, for instance, you can send your campaign logs and call recordings, for example, directly to your GHL account without having to maintain a third-party automation. You have a lot of granular control on your campaign cadence. You also get detailed analytics dashboards, and this is also visible both on the admin side as well as the client side. There are also ways to add leads, remove leads, and mark a lead as do not call based on APIs, which works real time. And then of course your call logs, your transcripts, everything is available, also downloadable on the admin side as well as the client side. One of our biggest USP is our support. So there are multiple channels for support with VoiceAIWrapper. There's a chat bubble towards the bottom right hand corner of the screen inside the app. Plus, there's a help section at the bottom, and there's also a guided walkthrough. Plus, you can also go ahead and book a onboarding call directly with us or our team. For our premium customers, we have a direct Slack support. We also have a Discord group, and as you can see on the chat group, our response time is within minutes. So if you have any challenges, any feature requests, any enhancement requests, we are more than happy to build it out. That's it. So VoiceAIWrapper is available for free without a credit card. You can visit our website, voiceaiwrapper.com, set up a free trial account, and we'll be happy to get you started. Thank you.